Saved messages. Saved message.
Yo, son, happy Thirsty Thursday. Hope you're doing something fun. Yeah, just let me know if you're 100% down for the show. I don't think you'll fill up, but I'm just going to get tickets anyways. Just to be safe. So, hope you're having fun every day and enjoying your life. I have bubble tea today. It's delicious. So, peace.
Message saved. Saved message.
Hey, Alex. The trains that we see for Newburyport, they're at 11:30, and the next one's not till 1:30. So I'm going to take the 11:30. So hopefully you get this in your because I'm listening to. I really want you to. So call me back. Bye.
To replay this message saved. Saved message.
Hi, Alex. It's John Burke calling from Conversant. It is about 4:30 on Tuesday afternoon. I wanted to call and speak to you about the co-op opportunity here and gauge your interest and see if you might be interested in joining the team. I had a few other things I wanted to discuss with you along those lines. But if you could give me a call when you get a chance, it's 781-791-3006. I greatly appreciate it. I will be at my desk tonight until 6, and then I will be back in the office tomorrow at 9 in the morning. So if you give me a call sometime around then, I'd like to discuss the position and the opportunities with you a little bit more. All right? Have a good night. Thanks. Bye.
To replay this message saved. Saved message. Message saved. Saved message.
Hey, cock breath, it's Cal, and taking a shit. My cell phone doesn't get service while I take shit. It's really weird, because I'm shitting outside, so you think I get perfect service. But I don't get service, so just call me back on my cell phone. I don't want you disrupting my parents all night. Piece of shit. Alright, bye.
To read this message saved. Saved message.
Hello, number one son. It's your father. Please call. Thank you.
To read this message saved. Saved message.
Hi, Alexander. This is Betsy Hughes. I'm the head of Human Resources at Fine St. Keith Healthcare in Cambridge, and I got your resume from Northeastern, from Ann Galligan, and I wanted to talk to you about coming in and meeting some of our team, and I'd love to see if we can get you in to meet some of the team. If not tomorrow, then maybe either Monday or Tuesday next week, and if not, then the beginning of the week after, maybe Monday. So please feel free to get back to me, and I look forward to talking to you soon.
Message saved. There are no more messages.